injection basket has reached maximum capacity. Beginning processing. Attention all personnel. This is command. We have 1,000 accountants. Feed shall be unloaded here for rationing. Repairs and other miscellaneous operations will also take place here. Processing completed. Heading to unload feed tanks.
Opening feed hatches. Inducing feed transfer pumps. Feed tanks have been emptied.
Hello. Hope you enjoyed the video. I spent a lot of time on it. I'm sick with the bovid. It sucks. I feel horrible right now. By the way, I got a new upload schedule now, so every Saturday I'm going to be uploading a video. So that's just cool. I just decided to do that. More sounds are going to be coming out soon. Like and subscribe because I need the subscribers, and yeah, have a good one.